Today, we're diving into an important topic for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike: the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, system. Understanding how the EGR system works and recognizing the signs of a failing EGR valve can save you from costly repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly. So, let's get started. First off, what is the EGR system? Simply put, the EGR system helps reduce nitrogen oxide emissions, commonly referred to as NOx, from your vehicle's exhaust. NOx emissions are a significant contributor to air pollution and can lead to serious environmental and health issues. The EGR valve plays a crucial role in this system by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine's intake manifold. This process lowers the combustion temperature, thereby reducing NOx production. Now, how does it work? When you start your engine and it reaches operating temperature, the engine control unit, or ECU, opens the EGR valve at certain times, allowing a specific amount of exhaust gas to mix with the incoming air-fuel mixture. This helps to keep the combustion process cooler and more efficient. But what happens when the EGR valve fails? Well, there are several symptoms to look out for. You might experience a rough idle or poor acceleration, which can be quite frustrating when you're trying to merge onto the highway. You may also notice a decrease in fuel efficiency. Nobody wants to spend more at the pump, right? Additionally, keep an eye out for the check engine light. If your vehicle's computer detects an issue with the EGR system, that light will pop up on your dashboard. Other symptoms can include engine knocking or pinging sounds, increased emissions, and even engine stalling at idle. If you ever smell strong fuel fumes while driving, it could be a sign of a faulty EGR valve too. Now, maintaining your EGR system is key. Regular vehicle maintenance can help you catch these issues before they turn into larger, more expensive problems. If you suspect your EGR valve is malfunctioning, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. They can perform tests to determine whether it needs cleaning, repair, or replacement. So, there you have it. The EGR system is a small but vital part of your vehicle that plays a big role in emissions control and engine efficiency. By being aware of the symptoms of a failing EGR valve and understanding its function, you can keep your car in great shape and do your part for the environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. If you have any questions or your own experiences with EGR issues, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.